Greetings, space explorers. Ever wondered about our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system? This is our home in the vast, infinite expanse of the universe. It's a bustling neighborhood, teeming with celestial bodies, each with their own unique stories. At the heart of it all, basking in its brilliant glow, is our star, the Sun. Orbiting around it are 8 diverse planets, each dancing to their own cosmic tune. We have the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then, there's the asteroid belt, a cosmic frontier separating the inner planets from the outer giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But our cosmic neighborhood is more than just its planets. There's a whole cast of celestial characters from moons to asteroids and even comets, each playing their part in this cosmic ballet. Now prepare to embark on a journey across the solar system, planet by planet. Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be an awe-inspiring ride. First stop, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. This petite planet, no bigger than Earth's moon, zips around our star at breakneck speeds, completing an orbit in a mere 88 Earth days. That's right, a year on Mercury is just about 3 months on Earth. Can you imagine how many birthday cakes you'd have to bake? Mercury's proximity to the Sun doesn't mean it's constantly hot, though. Its atmosphere is so thin it's practically not there, so it can't trap heat. This means that while it's blistering hot on the sunny side, temperatures on the dark side can plummet to minus 270 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. Despite its size, Mercury is a planet of extremes, from its scorching days to its freezing nights and its rapid orbit. It's a small world, but it's got a big personality. Mercury, a small world with a big personality. Moving on to Venus, often called Earth's evil twin. Why the sinister nickname, you ask? Well, despite being nearly identical to Earth in size, Venus is anything but a mirror image. It's shrouded in a dense, toxic atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. Imagine stepping out into a scorching, hot acid rain shower every day. That's Venus for you. But the surprises don't stop there. Venus boasts an average surface temperature that exceeds 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. And if that's not enough, Venus marches to the beat of its own drum, quite literally. Unlike most planets which rotate on their axis in the same direction as they orbit the Sun, Venus spins the other way around. This peculiar motion is known as retrograde rotation. Venus, a planet that proves looks can be deceiving. Next up, Mars, the red planet. Its distinct rusty hue is due to iron oxide, or as we call it on Earth, rust. This iron oxide dust covers its surface and gives Mars the unique reddish appearance that makes it easily recognizable. Mars is also home to a very thin atmosphere, mostly composed of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. But don't let that fool you. It's capable of hosting the most towering volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Standing 3 times the height of Mount Everest, it's a sight to behold. And here's a wet fact for you: there's strong evidence suggesting that liquid water once flowed on the Martian surface. Some scientists even speculate that life might have existed there. All these features make Mars a tantalizing destination for future human exploration. Mars, a tantalizing destination for future human exploration. Now let's journey to the outer realms of the solar system, home to the gas giants. First up, we have Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's so massive, in fact, that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter is a whirl of color and storms, the most famous of which is the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for at least 300 years. But what's a gas giant without rings? Jupiter has a faint ring system, but nothing compares to the splendor of Saturn's rings. Made of ice and rock particles, Saturn's rings could span the distance from Earth to the Moon. Speaking of Saturn, it's the second largest planet, and despite its size, it's the lightest planet in our solar system. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. Then there are the moons. Jupiter and Saturn boast over 100 moons each, some of which may even harbor life. Jupiter's moon Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. Saturn's moon Titan, on the other hand, has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. These gas giants are more than just distant lights in the night sky. They're dynamic, fascinating worlds that continue to captivate us with their size, beauty, and mystery. Jupiter and Saturn, the colossal rulers of the outer solar system. Further out, we find the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Unlike their gas giant siblings, these 2 planets radiate a captivating bluish color, a spectacle that's a result of methane gas in their atmospheres which absorbs red light and reflects the blue. But it's not just their color that sets them apart. Uranus and Neptune are primarily composed of heavier volatile substances such as water, ammonia, and methane ices, earning them the title of ice giants. This icy composition gives them a denser and hotter core than the gas giants. And let's not forget the extreme weather conditions. On Neptune, wind speeds can reach up to 1,500 miles per hour, making it the windiest planet in our solar system, while Uranus, with its peculiar tilt, experiences seasons that last for 20 years. Uranus and Neptune, mysterious worlds at the edge of our planetary family. And now, the answer to our galactic challenge. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. This gas giant is over 11 times the diameter of Earth. That's a whole lot of room for extraterrestrial fun. We've reached the end of our celestial exploration for today. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Infoguru for more exciting space adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.
Infoguru.